What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Steal a Brainrot modded in your computers. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my PC. I log into Roblox right here. Just simple type in Steal a Brainrot and you will find Steal a Brainrot modded in experience. You can click on that and here you'll be able to find it as well. So within these different experiences guys, you will see where it shows this is the original Steal a Brainrot and you will find different modded ones. You will see that they have modded here. For example, you will see another one that says modded here as well. So just go ahead and choose whichever one you want to go ahead and experience. You can just simply go ahead and click on them and open them. I would recommend that you choose the one that has, let's say, pretty decent ratings at least, and you'll be able to basically play those ones, right? So I would say have a look through the list and you will find some of those modded ones, and you have different types, right? So you can see ones they said feed a brain rot. So these are different kind of brain. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. That you can always go ahead and try to experience. So go ahead, look for the ones that has the most, let's say, the best rating, because at least people play them and they basically, you know, rate those games or not. So very easy and very simple. And that's basically how I'd recommend that you choose a modded one to try to see if it's actually good. Otherwise, if you have time on your hand, you can simply go ahead and go through the list, find what's there, and maybe you'll be able to find something really cool that you can recommend to your audience as well. And that's pretty much it guys. Very easy and very simple. Once you find something, click on that and you'll be able to quickly go ahead and hit play, and you can play that experience. That's pretty much all that you have to do guys. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.